Etihad likely to retire its A380 and Boeing 777 fleet from its operation. It is aiming to return to profitability in 2023 as part of a 5-year turnaround plan that it has accelerated during the pandemic that has paralyzed the airline industry. Recent interview: The Etihad CEO Tony Douglas admitted we had got far too diversified when it came to fleet types to be operationally efficient. He said the 10 A380s were a wonderful product, but they are no longer commercially sustainable. And while they've been grounded since March 2020 and will now remain so indefinitely, it's hard to imagine the superjumbos will have any role in Etihad. That future will also be without the Boeing 777 after the end of this year. There have been several concerns raised about the future of Etihad's A380 fleet, which has been grounded for nearly a year. The airline operates a fleet of 10 superjumbos, each of which is about 5 years old. Etihad received its first A380 in late 2014. And the most recent A380 in mid-2017. In response to increased demand, Etihad operates 19 Boeing 777s, some of which have recently been converted to cargo flights. It has 39 787 Dreamliners in its fleet and has received 5 of the 20 A350s that it ordered. If you liked our video, please subscribe to our channel.